Oh, come on, boy. Come on. Come on. That's a nice size red. He may not be as small as I thought. Yeah, he actually is. Come on, guy. Come on. Come on now. Come on now. That is a nice snook. Big trout. Mackerel. Transfer. Nice job. Not bad, not bad at all. Beautiful fish. Love it. My first tarpon. Love it. There's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. Alright, I don't know how well this is going to go today. It's blowing pretty good, so you may not even be able to hear me. But Shannon and I have decided on this windy, blustery day to head out of the community park here in Matlacha, head south directly into the wind, and then have the wind, as it gets worse through the day, bring us all the way back in. That's the plan. Don't know how well this is going to go, but, you know, why not? Give it a try. What else are you going to do on a Saturday, on a blustery Saturday? So, stay tuned. Let's see what happens. Well, this isn't too bad here. We got a friend over there. Hoping to see some tarpon today. I haven't seen any roll this year. Only a couple jumping out of the water. He's out of here. Is that enough for me, I guess? Oops. Well, there's the first fish. Nice little trout. Oop. On the wise guy Jolene. All right, dude. Chill out. Come on. Come on. Nice little trout. Let him go. All right, there's the skunk. Skunk is gone. That's good. I'll take a little trout to start the day. Not a problem. On the old Jolene. I really like this color.
What was that, a trout?
Yeah. I had someone grab me. Yeah, I just had someone grab me right over here. Ooh, jeez. Just got whapped by my own bait. Shoot. Ugh. That was 2. Oh, it's a shark. I'm on. Got him that time. Oh yeah, that's a red. I got a friggin' shark right here. That's a nice little red. Oh yeah. Oh, come on, boy. Come on. Come on. That's a nice size red. He may not be as small as I thought. Yeah, he actually is. Come on, guy.
Come on. Come on now. Come on now. Oh, dude, you're getting me soaked. Come on. Just get in the net. Don't be that way. Thank you. Oh. Oh. That's a nice red, dude. Yeah, that's a nice red. All right, all right, all right. All right, all right, all right. All right, let's get you out of there. Let's get that out. Come here. Oh. Slime ball. Stop it. All right. You're not cooperating, so you're going to have to go on the gripper. Now you're getting blood everywhere. See how big you are. All right, all right, all right, all right. All right, you are ornery. My Lord. All right, this guy is at least 27. $26. Just under 26 with a pinch tail. There we go. Beautiful. 2 spots on here, like 4 on that side. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Doop. Ooh. That was a Jolene?
Beauty face.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look at that. That's interesting. Oh.
He wasn't happy we were calling beauty face.
I know, right? And I got another one. Yeah. Nice. Another boat. Sailboats took a friggin' beating in that storm. Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah.
So launching today was a little bit of a ulterior motive. Shannon and Justin found this. It's Pop Pop's fishing hole. I can't read that. Clifford, maybe?
Yeah.
Clifford Jenkins. Just 1946 to 2014. And
After some research, we found out he was military.
yeah, I guess he was military. So Shannon brought some lights and a flag, and there you go. And we're just pleased that it survived the hurricane. So, to whoever put it up, kudos. Big stingray right there. Kudos, because you did a good job. I mean, that tree is actually growing around it. So, there you go. Little memorial. That's cool.